roommate, Tara, and today I'm going to be making Tara look like me. So this is like the best friend, what do they call it? Making my best friend look like me,
yeah.
Transforming my best friend into me. So we're gonna see how this turns out.
I'm Tara, by the way.
We just said that.
I didn't get the chance to even talk.
Okay, what do you want to say?
I just wanted to say hi.
Okay. Oh my god. So this morning I did my makeup and I started with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it's like a yellow concealer that's gonna get rid of all the red undertones. And
That's not what it's supposed to do.
What?
It gets rid of
The dark circles.
dark spots, not
Yeah.
red undertones.
Well, my dark spots are red, so
What?
like I have like red under eye. No, I don't. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do little triangles underneath her eyes. So wait, you said this doesn't. Why do you have it if it doesn't? By the way, this is Tara's. I don't understand why she has
Oh,
it.
because it came in a group of 3. It came with the red, the green, and then that one.
Oh, and you just can't use it. Why?
I mean, I tried using it, but I don't really have many. I just didn't know what to use it on, really.
Under eye.
But I use the red.
It doesn't
under
actually
eye.
look bad though. Like it blends really well into the skin.
You're so rough.
Okay, this is how I do my makeup on myself, okay? Turn your head this way, stop!
Okay.
This is how I do it on myself. And I don't have black eyes, so we're all good. You're not gonna be beat up.
Was that your hand?
This is why they call it. What else was it? Yeah, it was my hand. Gonna take the booty blender. Blend it in. Nice and perfect. Open your eyes. Why do you have it so squished?
I'm scared you're gonna poke me.
Why do you have it so squished? Alright. Shut up. Okay, then I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown, and I do that after. And I do my makeup in like a completely weird order.
Sit like this.
Okay, that's good. That's good. I do my makeup in a weird order. How do my eyebrows look? Are they like?
Do you want me to take a picture of them and then you just use them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so Tara's gonna take a picture of me, and I'm just gonna go based off of that picture.
No, that's not good. Hold on.
That was weird. Ew! It looks so weird!
You look... Okay.
I look like, ew, why is my mouth like that? Okay. I think
Hold on,
I
make
just
sure
have
I'm in the frame.
I have a little arch. They kind of go up more. That actually looks like my eyebrow. Like I darkened it a lot. You gotta make it dark because I'm a little darker than Tara. Wait, hold on. This is harder than the other eye because I'm not left-handed. Okay. Need more. By the way, guys, if you notice my boobs are bigger, it's because I got the Victoria's Secret bombshell bra and it made my cup size go up
Two sizes.
Unbelievable. Okay. I don't know why. Okay. Hey, man. Okay.
What was that sound you just made?
I was at even.
Oh.
Now I'm taking my Maybelline. What was that? Instant
It's like
Age
that.
Rewind concealer.
Oh,
Gonna
yes.
conceal the brows like I did in my makeup routine all the time. Very crisp brow. Have you guys seen Atypical, the TV show?
Yeah.
It is. I'm not talking. I'm talking to my subscribers. It's a good show, and if you haven't seen it, you should watch it. I wasn't talking to you. If that wasn't in the video, people are gonna think we were weird talking to nobody. No, not touching your face again. So now is the fun part, and I'm using True Match Lumi foundation in N4 Neutral Buff Beige. So here we go. Little 3 dots.
That was more than 3.
Okay, look. Minimal coverage. Just like I do. Tara just went from a sheet of paper to like tanned and orange.
Orange, yes.
Oh my god. What? Ew. Are you sleeping?
I like how fast you go with the beauty blender.
Do you not go fast?
I don't think
I have to literally blend it down your neck.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is so good though. Like literally I made you look like you hit the sun. Like
I need that.
I made you look
But
like
then it
you
doesn't,
just
like,
came
match.
back from like a vacation. It doesn't match your hand.
I need to fake tan.
Tanning beds make me think of Final Destination. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I hope it's shit.
Okay.
Okay, pull the shirt up. Oh my god. Did that hurt?
No.
Oh. Okay. Now I'm just going to distribute underneath the eye. Why are you looking possessed?
I don't know. I guess this is what my brother felt like when I was doing his makeup.
You barely did anything on him. You just did like eyeliner.
I know, and I could never do all the makeup on him.
Did you cut a lot of that video?
Yeah.
Did he say stupid things?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What did he say?
I don't remember. There was a lot where he was like, "I'm not putting that on." And I'm like, "You have to."
Oh my goodness.
Check out my channel. Katie
Yeah.
will link it down below.
Oh yeah, okay. I'll link Tara's channel down below. Oh yes, honey. I beat that face.
It certainly feels like.
I feel like you're not gonna want to take this off.
It's not
Maybe a
gonna
little
match
because it
my
doesn't
body.
match your body. But
Does it?
anyway, huh? No. Can you see?
No.
Oh, okay, good. Don't look. Okay,
What do you mean?
oh, what's next? What's next? Oh, bronzer. Now I'm going to take my. I'm not even in the camera. Now I'm going to take my Milani Baked Bronzer. Baked Bronzer. Gonna make you darker than you already are. Chiseled. So her face is more round, so I have to make hers look more like mine. Mine is like narrow. Like your forehead. Mine goes straight, but yours goes back.
My hairline is receding.
Yeah. That's what I meant. Receding hairline. When I did your makeup with like your regular foundation, this showed up a lot more. Right now that you're my color, it's like blending. Okay. Chisel the nose. And then I went down underneath the nose. Okay, I think that's okay. I'm using the Peaches and Cream shade in the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced. Just to cover up the veins that I already covered up with the foundation. What is that? Oh. Just a hair. Then I used Georgia. It's a nice pink shade. Light pink. Georgia. Sweet Georgia. This shows up more on you than it did on me. Why? Okay, then I used Summer Yum.
Summer
Yummy Summer. Mmm, delicioso. I just sounded like Fez. Okay. Yes, honey. Snatched. Now I'm going to use Bellini. I think that's how it's said.
What is
You
that
have-
supposed to be?
You have more eyelid space than I do. It's unfair.
And it's all wasted.
What do you mean wasted?
I don't even wear eyeshadow.
Yeah, you're not even like, yeah,
Taking advantage of it.
of your eyelid space.
I've never been good at eyeshadow. I don't know how to do it, so.
It's pretty simple. Just follow a tutorial. Oh my god, I got it here. Oh no. Got it right there. Okay, now I'm taking the Luscious. Okay. That's all I need for the eyeshadow, but you're gonna have to apply mascara because we can't share mascara.
Yeah.
What's not? Get off! Why do I sound country? Get off!
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the mascara, and Tara's using CoverGirl.
Oh,
What the fuck?
I don't want waterproof.
Why?
Because it's so hard to take off.
Then why didn't you get the other one?
I don't have any other.
And where is the fuck is the bristle?
There aren't any bristles on that
There's
one.
nothing on it. No, look down. There you go.
I've never done this. It feels very strange not doing this with a mirror.
Oh my god, I was literally doing the face like I was doing the mascara.
I know.
So for highlight, I'm using the Liquid Illuminator from NYX, and it's like a pretty sun-kissed highlight.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
You should put it on my eye.
The highlight, I'm sorry.
Your face.
Next, I'm doing the lips, and I'm using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Athens.
Athens.
I was gonna say Athena. So what we're gonna do is change into the same top or similar looking tops, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we're back and we're in our black tops. They're similar, not exactly the same.
I look like a Jersey, someone who's should be on the Jersey Shore. Or like,
I think it looks good. If
would
your whole
look-
body
yeah.
was like tan.
yeah, it was,
equally.
the makeup is good. It's just like, it's not my color. And like, so
Wait,
like,
let's put your hand next to it. Oh my god.
wait, let's see. Do we look the same? No.
But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Tara's channel if you like her, or just subscribe anyway. And
Even if you hate me. I
Even
need
if-
hate comments.
Even if you hate her. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for more notifications when I post another video. I'll be having another video posted shortly, so stay tuned. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye!